music, man. I got fighting, gambling, racing. We got Tess in the building, y'all. Boy, that thing not running so hard. Boom. Everybody loves salsa. got it fixed now. Got it fixed now, y'all. know, both of them like big blocks, he say. That's how he like, he gotta have him a big block, y'all. Had a little problem. Yeah. You don't care about nobody else. Yeah. You great job for right lane. Motherfuckers fuck with me. What happened? Turning tricks in that motherfucking head. That nigga trying to stay out the way. He trying to stay out the way. I'm gonna see. When I stand and do this, he waits off. Motherfucker like you can't never break me.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out. Come out gapping these niggas around this bitch for that cash, nigga. I'm down now the better. If I don't gap this nigga, small block, nigga.
Yellow.
You don't pay me a motherfucking thing. How much, Batman? I'm a cheerleader. And I'm gonna put up 300 to your 100. I'm gonna knock this bitch to the ground. What I go do, Quinn?
Picked it up.
What I do, Quinn?
You picked it up.
Don't say a motherfucker.
Got that bad ass. You know he got that.
Say, Quinn, be quiet, nigga. Don't tell this motherfucking nigga shit when I come out, nigga. I'm a cheerleader. Small block, nigga.
Yellow.
You on that Instagram shit, shine that shit, nigga. Camera get on me, hey. Shame on you when I come out. You'll see. Hey. Boom!
Make him set their ass down.
Fucking gal.
A gal.
A gal.
Gap that weak bitch. Weakest motherfucker out here. Come on. Boom. Pop them in the ass. He don't want none of Quentin. Quentin to fuck him up. Weakest motherfucker out here, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed.